This is a brand new 2012 Ram truck. All of the following features are included: a navigation system, a DVD player, alloy wheels, a bed liner, stability control, side impact airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, and the cooled seats create a 360-degree air-conditioned environment, keeping everyone comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Allen Samuels Dodge Hyundai is located at 7740 Northeast Loop 820 in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.